Today I just got in the new Moto door bag to try out. I have them for both sides. You're going to connect them right here, and right over here, and then the two spots down below. And then they also have not just tape, so they can be removed. It's the tape with Velcro, and as you can see, it's going to go right along here. You can just take off the glue backing and press them up when you mount, or you can take it off, and you mount it right here. Make sure that the area is nice and clean. I've already wiped it down with alcohol. And so now, when you do your first mount, you go here, and then you just press in, and as you can see, it's already holding itself with just one. Yet we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 bolt-on connections using your existing holes. So it's a nice little setup. And I'm gonna get going and starting on it right now. But looks good. You also have a zip pocket, holds plenty of stuff, and then you've got your quick access net in a two-part area. For me, I'm immediately going to put in my air gauge, because during the winter months I'm constantly changing my air back and forth, so it's a nice quick access. This also is waterproof and has a zipper that is completely hidden with a rubber, so you do not get any water in your bag, which is very nice to have. I want to thank Kemi Moto for giving me the opportunity to test these out and take this new bag to Moab next week. I head out on Friday. Today's Sunday. And we're going to spin this around. I don't have it too tight. Then I can use the Velcro to set these right up. There we go. And I'm going to grab the next screw and put it in. There we go. And with just the first two, we're completely in. And I've got one more here. There we go. I've got two on the bottom, but this is in nice and good now. You've got nice large pocket that will hold just about anything from my can of Mountain Dew to tissue paper, you name it. And then we've got this for my air gauge. And I've got two different air gauges here. Put that right in. Put that in. I'm good either way. And this will protect against water if you have it on the inside. Completely waterproof. Very nice pad for your knee. And in fact, it's a lot better than any one I've ever had, I can think so far. And we'll get it tested out, and I'll give you an update when I go to and come back from Moab. My last two are on the bottom. And that's one. And I'm missing the hole. And there we go. Whole thing's installed, less than 5 minutes. And it's looking good. What will be nice this winter is it just beads up. Wiped off. And it's completely sealed with that zipper. So all my stuff inside is not going to get wet. Just goes and just beads right off and completely dry inside. That's going to be nice. I will, after the credits, there will be a link where you can buy this, and appreciate it very much. I'll give you a future update on how it's working out. I've got 750 miles approximately I'm going to ride in Moab in a week, and this is going to get good use. Thank you very much.